I am being brave and cutting apart my Aurifil Color Guide so that I can have individual colors to easily pick thread colors. And I'm following the tutorial that was on the Aurifil site. I've got my ruler, the large rotary cutter, so that I can get through the board here. It's pretty scary because there's not that much room. I'm going to line this up as best I can so that I'm not cutting the edge of the thread, but yet I'm able to see the numbers that are on this side. I take a lot of time just to line it up. Then we're going to press really hard. And that one came off great. So I'm going to continue to do that. Then I'm going to put magnets on the back so that I can hang them on a board. I've got magnetic tape and I got it at Joann's. I was questioning what size should I put on the back. I decided to go with a 3-inch strip, and when I hang it on the magnetic board, it's easy to get off but hangs securely. I'm going to also put a magnetic strip on this card because it has all this information about the different kinds of thread. The color search that's on the back probably really won't apply anymore because they're already cut apart. Here are the strips on a magnetic board. This is the only magnetic board I have. I wasn't quite sure what size to get to put these on, so I'm going to get it their own magnetic board. And then if I can just show you that when I put the magnetic strip on the back, I kind of lined it up with a thread card because I thought it gave it a little bit more support versus at the very top when there wasn't the extra strength there.